Got a buddy coming in hot. These boats like to come in hot. That guy is a crab guy. Sets these crab pots up and he'll come and pick crabs up. Don't ever think those guys are gonna slow down for you if you're a kayaker. Those guys are never, you can be broke down in the middle of the water. They're still gonna buzz you as they go by. They have no love. That's alright. Life's too short to be mad at everybody. Alright, I think we had a little bit of audio issues there. I'm fishing with this, heck, I don't even know what it is. I know it's made by, I just saw something blow up over here, so I'm trying to stay away because I'm going to cast on it here in a second. Anyway, I'm fishing with the Egret Baits. Just put it on. It's my first time trying it out. And, ooh, something right there too. Anyway. Drop anchor real fast so I don't tend to this fish. Show you right here. Fishing with this guy right here. Egret Baits. Again, everything I'm fishing with today, I'll leave in the description below. They were kind enough to send us a like a sample pack. And got this nice trout on it. This guy's a hoss. It's super strong. He is gonna be, goodness, someone's over there tearing it up. 19, almost 19 and a quarter, 19-inch speckled trout. Got my Egret Baits. I know it's a shad. Take it easy. We're gonna let you go. Just wanna show you for the viewing audience. Nice big guy, healthy fish. He did not like being touched. Nice little flounder. He gobbled it up pretty good. We got him. Yeah, but he's gonna be short. Well, we got 14 and 3/4. 14 and 3/4 little guy. He's a little wore out, but he'll be fine. Ah. Trout on. Just lost him. There we go. Oh! Ah! Dang! I did not think that was a. Did not think that was a flounder. That's it's too funny. That's too funny. I just put that sin on to help them eat all the way up because I get tired of them short biting. So we'll see. Hopefully he'll, oh, there he goes. Took off. Man, what is up with my net game today? Excuse me. You mind? Yeah, 12 3/4. That guy right there, that color combo. Chickenboy Lures. Description for everything will be below. I'm gonna let this little guy go. There he goes. Okay. There we go. I'm always digging for like another flounder. Oh man, this is much better. Oh! Oh! I saw him barely hooked. Golly. There we go. Oh! Stop jumping. Stop jump. Dude, you just like jumped on my butt. Stop jumping, man. Nice little speckler. I'll let him go. Man, you know I like casting trout, but dang, dude, you can not get that slime off. I mean, it's like for days. I mean, still. I mean, what the? It's just, it's the, yeah, it's still there. Oh, that was somebody. Right on that grass line. Somebody right here on the edge too. There it goes. There we go. Got another one. Yeah. Another speckler. See, now that time I was fishing for a speck. Because I said there was just one there. So I'll get another one. So I can find one. Okay. Okay, broski. There it goes. Just let go. Now I hooked him again. Got him on that. That got that. Okay, everybody, that's pretty much gonna do it for me today. Caught a few fish today. I caught a few fish today. There's a lot of fish out here. There's tons of bait out here today. But wasn't able to hook up. Missed a few. A few got off. But I did catch a few. But all in all, it's a wonderful day on the water. Do not forget to subscribe. Share, comment below. Everything I use, everything I fish with today's will be down in the description with links on there in case you're interested or you're wondering. I'm not affiliated with any of these companies. Just wanted to share with all you. Just want to share with you all what I'm fishing with. But thanks again. Hopefully next time you will catch me hooking up real soon. You have a good one.